Located on your dashboard inside the Ledgersync app are some admin buttons that are pretty important to know what they do and how to get to them. As you can see here, the first one here would be our client management, which is going to give you a full listing of who your different clients are. You have the ability, you can actually lock accounts if you need to. You can upload a list of new clients. So if you're coming over from a different service or you're just adding it on, you can upload quite a few at once. But what's also important is the ability to send out your invitation emails, your invitation links, so you can help new clients be able to get set up very efficiently. If we go back to the home button here, there's also employee management. So the employee management gives larger firms, or gives you the ability that you can delineate between different employees which clients they will have access to. So if you have certain clients that should be separated from different team members, that's the area that you would do so. Your billing area, the billing area is going to give you kind of a synopsis of how many clients you have connected and how many connections that you're doing. And keep in mind, a connection is to a bank itself. So if you have Chase Bank, that is one connection even if you have 3 accounts inside of it. It's that single connection that matters. You would have, of course, your change password, which is for the access to it. Has nothing to do with the actual bank passwords. It's for the Ledgersync app passwords. The request extractor, we'll get into that a little bit deeper in just a moment, but that's for if you have difficulty finding your bank, if it's a smaller bank or just it hasn't been set up yet, you can make requests to Ledgersync to have them add your bank to their system. I've done quite a bit of research through different services like these, and I can truly tell you that Ledgersync has been by far the most responsive of adding on new banks for us. When you have that rebuild project or it's towards the end of the year, there's generally not a whole bunch of time to just wait to see if there's enough request for it. So Ledgersync has done a great thing where they've offered a service that if you need it quicker, you can choose to pay for a service that way. You should reach out to your representative and ask them about it in case you need it. And then, of course, you always have the supported banks, so you can see which ones are currently supported this time. And the list is growing and growing and growing. If you've got additional questions or looking for some advice, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to us directly at info@parkwaymail.com. And as always, here's wishing you a very successful week.